Hello everybody, and welcome to today's tutorial on our Groups panel, which is located under the Structure tree. So today we're going to be going over how Groups works. So first I'm going to create a quick solid, and it's going to be a block with a hole in it, and I'll round the top edges. Now the way Group works is that it stores selections. So for instance, I can go in, select a wall, and I can pull that out larger or smaller whenever I want to. But maybe it would be faster for me to remember that selection for next time. So I can create a group, and now we see it's listed as Group 1. Now let's go in and rename that. So we'll call that left and front faces, how about? So now that I've indicated what I want, I can quickly go in, select on that, and now make my change. So it remembers it for you. And it even takes you to the tool that you were in when you created the group. These rounds, for instance, I can fill them in, and that will create a round group automatically. So I can even go in, alter the geometry, maybe we'll pull the wall in a little bit, add a draft, and go back into the round group, right-click, and reattach the rounds. So also it's useful to take geometry and set up ruler dimensions. So we'll ruler this hole to the edge here. We see it's 45 and change. So I'll create a group, and we'll rename this hole to edge, or something to that effect. So now that I've named it, I can go back in and change that whenever I want to. So this is also useful because the API will remember these groupings. So if you create a script, you can go in and remember them and alter the geometry that way. So you notice that even if I change this wall and go back in to click on our hole to wall dimension, I can still go in and enter that as 30. The geometry updates. So I hope this is useful in creating some changes in SpaceClaim and remembering faces and named selections. Thank you for watching.